Welcome back, friends. We are on lesson 4, day 3 of Ready Up today with our OO sounds. You guys have done a great job so far, so let's keep it up. We have 2 more days before you reach out to me to do a little assessment. So, learning guides, you are going to need to be on teachers page 49, and students are going to need student page 49 practice page in front of them. So all week we have been working on vowel patterns that make the OO sound. So today we are specifically going to be working on the vowel sound OO that is spelled EW. So only words that are spelled EW that make that OO sound. All right, I have another word for you guys to look at today. The first word that I would like you to listen to is the word grew. The word grew has the OO sound. Listen for the OO as I say the word grew. Do you hear it? It's at the end of the word. Grew. Say the word with me. Grew. What is that vowel sound? Say it to your learning guide and then come on back. If you said the vowel sound was OO, you were right. Let's practice with another word. Few. What is the vowel sound in that word? Few. OO is the vowel sound in few. Try the same thing with the same vowel sound in the word chew. Ch. OO. If you said OO, you were right. Do you see how all 3 of these words are spelled EW, but they make the OO sound that we would normally spell OO? So far we have learned a few ways that we can make the OO sound with different spellings. I have 2 other words that we can practice. Let's look at the words flew and do. Pause this video, see if you can identify the vowel sound, and come back to check your work. Great job. Now I would like you to say the words with me. Flew and do. Do these words have the same vowel sound or different vowel sound? If you said they have the same vowel sound, you are right. They are both spelled EW and they both make the OO sound. Flew and do. Great work. Now you're going to need student page 49, the practice page. We're going to make some words that have the OO sound spelled EW. The first one that I have filled in was from our previous page. Few. Ew. Do you hear that ew sound? Ew. Few. Another one that came to my mind is new. N-oo. New. Pause this video, see if you and your learning guides can come up with 4 other words that make the OO sound spelled EW, and then check your work with my practice page. So how did you guys do? Let's see. I came up with these words. Do, chew, blew, and grew. Do all of these words have the OO sound in them? D-oo, ch-oo, bl-oo, gr-oo. I think they do. See if yours are different. You might have some different words on your chart that make the exact same sound. And it is okay that we have some different words on our charts, but that is good practice. Now, we have some word pairs that I would like you guys to look at. The word pairs that I have are do and new, crew, crow, flow and flew, blue and boat, stew and drew. What I would like you to do is to pause this video, see if you can identify or find the word pairs or the 2 words that have the same vowel sound and the ones that are different vowel sounds. If they are the same, you're going to want to say they have the same sound. If they're different, you're going to want to identify that they make a different sound. So pause the video and then come back and check your work to see if you identified the oo sound in these words. So how did you do? If you said that the words do and new have the same sound, you were right because they both have the EW, which makes the oo sound. Crew and crow do not make the same sound. I hear a oo sound and I hear a long O sound. Do you hear that? The next set of words I have is flo and flu. Do those sound like the oo sound? I hear a long O in flo, so those are different. The next pair of words I have is blue and boat. I hear oo and O in that vowel pair. Are those the same or are those different? Those are different. And lastly, I have the words stew, st, oo, and drew, oo. I hear the same oo sound in both of those words. You guys did a great job. See if you can practice spelling some of these words on another sheet of paper with your learning guide and come back tomorrow for the last day, day 4 of lesson 4 before you reach out for your assessment. You guys did a great job today.